Hey guys, what's up? Mitlander here. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to hand riffle with cards, like actual playing cards. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. I have, just it was 4 days ago, but I just wanted to make a video since I'm interested in cards now, like playing cards, whole deck. I'm going to show you how to riffle a card for beginners. So first off, you're going to want to either just take half the deck, split it apart, and you're splitting the top part like that, like half like that. And you're going to want to have the two face cards facing each other, and then shuffle them like this. Let me show you an example. Right down here, I'm trying to fit it. Right down there. Okay, here's what it would look like. Here's what a hand riffle would look like. This is like the ultimate beginners. So basically it like puts it all together. So this time I will show you how to do it. So basically you split the deck like so. You take this one, put it up like this. Put your index finger right on the middle of the card and like try to bend it if it's bendy, if it's possible, I don't know. Take your other hand, do the same, and you got this, and bring it. Hello. I'm trying to do this really fast. So you do the same thing and you bend them a certain way until they actually all just fall down when you move your thumb in the process. Then you just put it together, push it a little bit forwards, and let the magic happen. Put your two thumbs right in the center of all of it. Keep your fingers on the bottom like this. Bend it with your hand. Take your fingers off, and then it should riffle in. And you could do it slow or fast. Let me do an example. See, you can put that in slow-mo. But that's how to hand riffle a card for beginners. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.